Zero trust cybersecurity is changing how organizations protect their data and digital assets. Unlike traditional models, zero trust eliminates implicit trust and verifies every user and device. In this video, we'll explain zero trust, its benefits, and how companies of all sizes can adopt it. What is zero trust cybersecurity? Traditional security models often grant wide access after a single authentication process. Zero trust operates on the principle of never trust, always verify for every access request. This ensures continuous authentication and protection, regardless of user location or device. Zero trust isn't just a technology, it's a mindset shift for modern cybersecurity frameworks. Key principles of zero trust. 1. Continuous verification. Every access attempt is authenticated and authorized in real time with no exceptions. Users and devices must prove their identity each time they request access to resources. 2. Least privilege access. Zero trust limits users to the minimum access they need to perform their roles effectively. This reduces the risk of sensitive data exposure and contains potential breaches. 3. Micro-segmentation. Networks are divided into smaller zones to isolate systems and prevent lateral movement. If a breach occurs, it remains contained within one segment, minimizing overall impact. Examples of major companies adopting zero trust. Microsoft. Microsoft has fully embraced zero trust across its global infrastructure and services. Its Zero Trust Adoption Report highlights that 96% of security leaders prioritize this approach. Microsoft also provides comprehensive tools to help organizations transition to zero trust models. Google pioneered the Beyond Corp initiative, a zero trust architecture for its internal operations. This allows employees to work securely from anywhere without relying on traditional VPNs. Beyond Corp is a leading example of how zero trust supports remote work with robust security. Cisco. Cisco's zero trust solutions protect networks, applications, and endpoints across industries. Their tools focus on strict identity verification and real-time device health checks. Cisco demonstrates how zero trust scales effectively for enterprises with diverse security needs. Benefits of zero trust for small businesses. Enhanced security. Zero trust reduces the attack surface by continuously verifying users and restricting access. It prevents unauthorized access and minimizes risks, even if credentials are compromised. Support for remote work. With hybrid and remote work environments on the rise, zero trust ensures secure access. Employees can connect safely to company resources from anywhere without risking breaches. Scalability. Zero trust frameworks grow with your business, adapting to new tools, users, and environments. This flexibility ensures long-term security without the need for constant infrastructure changes. Improved compliance. Zero trust helps small businesses meet regulatory requirements by enforcing strict access controls. Compliance with laws like GDPR or HIPAA becomes more manageable with robust security practices. Building customer trust. Adopting zero trust demonstrates a commitment to data protection, boosting customer confidence. This trust translates into stronger client relationships and a competitive advantage in the market. How to implement zero trust cybersecurity. Step 1. Assess your current security posture. Identify vulnerabilities, access points, and gaps in your existing cybersecurity infrastructure. Prioritize addressing weaknesses that pose the greatest risk to your organization. Step 2. Define access policies. Set clear rules for who can access what resources and under what conditions. Ensure policies follow the principle of least privilege for every user and device. Step 3. Deploy the right technologies. Adopt tools like multi-factor authentication, endpoint protection, and network segmentation. Choose solutions that integrate seamlessly with your existing systems for smoother transitions. Step 4. Educate your team. Provide training on zero trust principles and why they are essential to cybersecurity. A well-informed team is a critical part of ensuring the success of a zero trust strategy. How Cyber AI Pros can help. At Cyber AI Pros, we specialize in zero trust solutions tailored to meet your security needs. Our services include endpoint protection, access control, and advanced cybersecurity strategies. We help businesses of all sizes secure their systems and protect against evolving cyber threats. Visit cyberaipros.com to learn more about how we can help you implement zero trust today. Conclusion. Zero trust is the future of cybersecurity, providing unparalleled protection for modern threats. By adopting its principles, you can safeguard your data and build trust with your customers. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cybersecurity insights.